Okay guys, I'll show you how to crimp the cables real quick. So to begin with, grab your cables, put this color corresponding caps so they'll be ready to go. Now I'm using really nice crimping tool that has the ability to strip the cable, so I'm going to strip all these 3 cables. Let me see, and we need about 1.5 inches of each cable stripped. So yeah, I'll do this, couple of rounds, one's good. Okay. A little bit longer. Too short. Alright, so we got 3 of these. Now we'll separate them so they will look something like that, similar to this. Alright, now separate each wire. Okay. And the thing I do, usually I go through each step on every cable. That helps me to kind of keep up with this process on all cables, and don't come back and start over the steps on every single cable. Okay, this is good. Now almost done. Okay, now we need to straighten up these cables. You can use, I use scissors because they're pretty flat on one end and they help me to achieve this straight line. So cables are straight. This is pretty good. So we do straighten every single cable, just like so. Alright, it's ready to go. Now let's go through the color scheme. So we get white, orange, orange. Then we get, let's see if this is right. Okay, white, green, no, white, blue, green, no, one, I guess this one, white, green, white, green, blue. And sometimes this is a pain on the back to go and kind of organize them in the right order. Okay, so it's a white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Okay, so we put them together, kind of move them back and forth, just like so. Okay, pretty straight now. Now I need to trim these ends nicely. Okay, it's all nice and neat. Okay, I have few connectors here. Put connector upside down. Make sure this part is facing up. Okay. Slide in and goes right in. Just like so. Verify the cables. Orange, white, orange. White, green, blue. White, blue, green. And white, brown, brown. Pushed all the way through. Put this tail back together so this connector will look nicely. Okay. Well, the next step, the thing I do, I trim this excess cables off. Well, let's see. Alright, so it's going to be easier to plug this crimping tool through these cables, and you just crimp. Okay, one is ready. Let's continue with the others. Same technique. Alright, start with white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Okay, shake them back and forth, just move them like this. Okay, trim these ends. You can use scissors or you can use a crimping tool, doesn't matter. Whatever works for you. Again, this top part down. Okay. Let's try again. Okay. Also, it helps when you bend the cables in the shape of this arc. So when you press on them, they kind of straighten up and keep their location. Each cable. Okay, so we verified the cabling pattern. Okay, push this cap back together. Let's try to use crimping tool. Yes, scissors kind of cutting. Great. Okay, that's done. Looking nice and tight. Let's do the last cable. Last cable. Yeah, again, just organize it by the color pattern. Okay. It's good now. Trim the ends. Put the cap upside down. Little arch. Slip it in. And it's going through just like so. Nothing really difficult, just a matter of repetition. Alright, we're done. We're good here. Now we got this 3. Let's see, 3 nice cables. Okay, I hope this was helpful, but honestly, there's nothing difficult. Just prepare cables. If you have 10 cables, go through each step on each cable and kind of try to keep up with all the cables. Alright, well, that's gonna be it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.